So today we are going to be looking at the 17 Pro Max. It's in the silver model, so that avoids some of the scratching issues you get with the blue, and obviously isn't as bad looking as the orange model, in my opinion. So let's get started with the unboxing. Let's peel these tabs. The 17 Pro Max in all its glory. Can already see that anti-reflective coating. Don't know if it's really avoiding the reflections like I thought it to. Overall, quite a nice feel in the hand. Not too heavy, but still feels premium. And you know what? In person, I do really like this color. It's quite different from the other two, the blue and the orange. I think it still has that premium look and feel to it. So there we go. The phone's already booted up. That's pretty good. And it has some battery on it. And just to have a look at what else comes in the box, you do get a cable. It's wrapped in an interesting way, let's just say. So yeah, we get that USB-C to USB-C. We also have a SIM ejector tool. That is because in the UK we don't get the eSIM model, which means we miss out on some battery life. And then finally, what do we have here? Yep, that looks to be like a user guide and some extra nonsense. We don't need to have a look at that. And yeah, there you go. We've unboxed the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's have a deeper dive into the phone once we get it set up. So then came the process of transferring all my data from my old Android phone to my new phone. This initially didn't work. I wasn't able to find the iPhone, but on the second attempt I could find it and eventually managed to select all the information that I wanted to copy across and transfer it. It did take quite a while, but eventually I did succeed and I got almost all of my Android apps onto my iPhone. Now, in terms of the video quality whilst on a YouTube OLED video, I found this to be quite good. It's a very bright, vibrant display, as you'd expect with a top-end iPhone, and all the iPhones this year are impressive in this way. They all come with 120 Hz. I did find the anti-reflective coating to not be as good as what you'd find on Samsung's S25 Ultra, for example, but it's still a good display nonetheless. And then for a quick test of the audio quality. So in terms of the audio quality, there's quite a nice deep bass. It's very full sounding, and you also get a sort of spatial sound, which is quite impressive for a phone to be able to achieve that. And then with a quick look at the camera quality, as you can see, we go all the way from 0.5 times ultra wide up to 8 times now on this iPhone, even though it is a 4 times optical zoom, and it delivers some nice shots. And then in regards to the video quality, we get a nice smooth playback. It's one of the best phones in terms of video quality. We now have the zoom, although I'm not convinced on the quality on that 8 times zoom. So that's been my first looks at the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's definitely an interesting iPhone. They've finally changed the design. And if you're interested in further videos on the iPhone, stay subscribed for further comparisons and a full review.